Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today's we are diving review the 2025 Harley Davidson Flathead is a bold revival of one of the most legendary engines in motorcycle history. Harley didn't just bring back a name, they reignited a legacy. Built with a mix of vintage soul and modern engineering, the new Flathead isn't just a tribute, it's a real deal machine meant to be ridden and respected. It captures the essence of post-war Americana while delivering performance and comfort that today's riders demand. Design and aesthetics. The styling of the 2025 Flathead is unmistakably classic. With its rigid frame lines, deep fenders, solo-sprung seat, and peanut tank, it immediately takes you back to the 1940s. Harley nailed the look with hand-polished aluminum covers, vintage-style badging, and period-correct paint schemes like olive drab, sky blue, and the iconic industrial grey. But don't let the retro vibe fool you, there's LED lighting subtly integrated into the design, and the fit and finish is pure modern-day premium. The moment you walk up to the bike, it speaks heritage, engine and performance. Underneath the vintage styling is a brand new air-cooled 121 CIV twin engine that pays homage to the original Flathead design, visually and mechanically. It delivers a smooth but torque-heavy ride, perfect for cruising with presence. You get around 85 horsepower and over 120 Nm of torque, with power delivery that's linear and confident. It's not a bike for speed demons, it's made for those who want to feel every thump, every shift, and every mile on the open road. It pulls strong from low RPMs and never feels overwhelmed, whether you're on city streets or highway runs. Ride and handling. Despite the classic hardtail appearance, Harley has integrated a hidden monoshock rear suspension to improve ride comfort without compromising the bike's heritage look. The front Springer forks give authentic feedback, and the bike feels surprisingly planted for something with such a long wheelbase. Cornering clearance is limited as expected, but it's stable and predictable. Braking is handled by ABS-equipped dual discs up front and a single disc in the rear, with enough stopping power for the bike's size and character. Tech and features. Keeping the bike true to its roots, Harley kept things minimal in terms of electronics, but you still get a discrete LCD tucked into the headlamp nacelle for essentials like gear position, fuel, and trip meter. Cruise control is standard, and a USB-C port is hidden beneath the tank. There's also keyless ignition and optional Bluetooth integration for those who want a bit of connectivity without cluttering the dashboard. Comfort and practicality. Ergonomically, the Flathead is built for relaxed cruising. The handlebars are wide and swept back, the mid-forward foot controls keep your legs comfortable, and the solo seat is surprisingly plush for long rides. However, this is not a commuter's bike, it's meant for scenic highways and weekend rides. Fuel economy averages around 45 miles per gallon, 19 kilometers per liter, and a 4-gallon tank offers a decent range. It's not a touring bike, but it can absolutely handle hours of road with the right mindset. Pricing and verdict. The 2025 Harley Davidson Flathead starts at around $22,000 depending on options and paint. It's a premium price for a machine that offers something very specific, a nostalgic experience with modern reliability. This bike isn't for everyone. It's for the rider who understands history, who appreciates craftsmanship, and who rides not just to get somewhere, but to connect with the road and the past. Like, share, subscribe to Turbo Rider.